Welcome to Wild Goose Adventures. There is a perfect weather window coming up for us to go sailing. So here we are back at Lady Musgrave Island, enjoying the serenity. Well, the serenity today anyway. How could you not want to be part of that lovely aqua water that you can see behind me? Spent the last couple of days in very squally conditions. Been editing downstairs, doing a whole heap of boat work, tidying up after my epic little sail to get here. So in the next few days the weather is going to back right off and it's going to be perfect. Have a go at this. This is what I've just created. That's right, I've just made a loaf of bread, and I might even share the recipe one day if anyone is interested, but it's kind of fun to be able to cook your own bread on board. It smells great. I'm going to see if I can just tip this out now, make sure it hasn't ended up all over the... As you can see, I'm not much good at this. There we go. Look at that. Came out of the pan okay. One loaf of bread. Smells great, and I'm going to look forward to having a little bit to eat when it cools down. Adios, Lady Musgrave Island. So here we are, Fitzroy Reef. Not a bit of land to be seen, just some coral that is surrounding this beautiful lagoon. So pristine and so quiet and so calm. You know, you push into open ocean for 20 nautical miles to get here, and then you come in, you get in through the little hole in the reef, and it's just magnificently calm. It's just incredible. Words, to be honest, I'm a bit taken back. It is beautiful, and even despite the clouds and the inclement weather and the shower I had on the way in, I'm so looking forward to seeing how much bluer and how much more aqua we're going to see when the sun comes out. It took a couple of days for the weather to clear up, and even though the wind has come with it, it's certainly made it absolutely stunning here. Well, we've been out here nearly a week, and the clouds have gone, the rain have gone, and we've just left this beautiful sunset that is going to grace us down over the water. So relax and enjoy, folks. Here we are at Pancake Creek. Been a fantastic 35 nautical mile sail, averaged about 6 knots. It was a cracker of a sail. Got here, picked up a mooring, and now check this place out. I hope you've enjoyed our little island hop and all of the images that I've been able to share with you. It's been fun bringing them to you. Don't forget, click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, that would be awesome. And until next time, with Wild Goose Adventures, smooth sailing.
Oh,